Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you add USDT into Price Alert in your Trust wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Trust wallet application. And after opening that, you just simply have to unlock it by putting your passcode or biometrics. Now, after that, just simply select the setting icon into the top left corner. Now, after selecting the setting icon, you will get to see the price alert below dark mode. Tap to price alert and you will see all of the price alert that you have for. Now, you just simply have to tap to this plus button into the top right corner. And after tapping there, you just simply have to search for USDT into here. And then this USDT option will appear. Just simply select the USDT for which you would like to set the price alert. I'm selecting this USDT Tether, and after that it will successfully be added to my price alert. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.